Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome you all to learn Chinese language with Chinese language made easy. Today I'm going to teach you about 5 important slang words or phrases which you might not see in the textbooks. So in Chinese language, slang are known as li yu. 今天我们来学习5个重要的汉语俚语. Today we will learn 5 important Chinese language slang. So let's just get started and discuss our today's agenda. And our agenda today is that we will know about what a slang is, basically, for those who do not know that what a slang is. And the second thing today that which we will learn is that I will tell you about some Chinese language slang. So let's just get to know about the definition of the slang. And this is a type of language consisting of words and phrases that are regarded as very informal. So you can see from the definition, and it is mostly slang or spoken. Okay, so it is in spoken form and it is informal. Okay, so it is not that formal which you consider like the other conversation. So let's just get to know about the 5 important slang words of Chinese language. So the first slang in that regard is 你吃错药了吗? 你吃错药了吗? This is the meaning of that. And 你吃错药了吗? Its literal meaning is that did you eat a wrong medicine? It doesn't actually mean that you ate wrong medicine or you took wrong medicine, but actually it is in a mildly insulting way. You are directing someone or letting someone know about his rude or strange behavior. Okay, strange behavior of someone towards you. You are just reminding him of that 你吃错药了吗? Did you take or did you eat a wrong medicine? What happened to you? Okay, so this is a slang used for in such a condition where someone is trying to behave with you in a strange way or in a rude way. So you just have to remind him of his behavior, that 你吃错药了吗? Did you eat or did you take wrong medicine? This is the literal translation of this slang. And in Urdu language, if we try to translate this slang, its literal meaning would be क्या तुमने गलत दवाई खा ली है? तो इसका मतलब ये है कि आप उसके अजीब रवैये के बारे में उसे बताना चाह रहे हैं कि ये तुमने किस तरह का रवैया इख्तियार किया हुआ है. ठीक है. So let's just proceed to the next slang, and the next slang in that regard is okay, this one, and it is known, it can be pronounced as 闭嘴闭嘴闭嘴. 闭嘴 means to shut up. Okay, so it is not that polite if you want to say to someone, and it basically occurs in such a situation where you are annoyed by someone and you want him to shut up or to stop talking. So it could be explained in a sentence, and this is the meaning of this sentence, and it could be pronounced as 你给我闭嘴你给我闭嘴你给我闭嘴. Okay, and in English it means that shut your mouth for me. Okay, so you can see it from the sentence that someone has been annoyed by someone, and that person is trying to shut him or her up. So in Urdu it is बकवास बंद करो. क्या तुम मेरे लिए अपनी बकवास बंद कर सकते हो? किसी ने किसी को बहुत सताया हुआ है और वो उसको चुप करवाना चाह रहा है, तो ये एक इम्पोलाइट वे में और एक गैर मुहज़्ज़ब तरीक़े से उसको चुप कराना है, क्योंकि वो सही ज़ुबान नहीं समझ रहा, इस वजह से आप इसको इस तरीक़े से या इस लहजे में समझा रहे हैं. Now let's proceed to the third slang, and that one is 你敢, 你敢, 你敢. 你敢 means you dare. Okay, this slang can be used in such a situation where you are in an argument with someone, or you are trying to challenge someone about a situation, or you are asking him, go ahead, you dare, and I'll see. So we can see this in a sentence, and it could be this is the opinion of that. And 如果你敢碰我的孩子，我会杀了你。如果你敢碰我的孩子，我会杀了你。Okay, and in English it means that I will kill you if you dare to touch my baby. It could be a mother protecting her baby from getting harmed by something or someone. Okay, so she's like in a mood of challenging that person who is trying to harm her baby. So this slang could be used in such a situation, and it can also be used in arguments if you want to use it. So like if you are asking him, you're asking someone to be brave enough to accept your challenge and go ahead in accepting your challenge. So 如果你敢碰我的孩子，如果你敢碰我的孩子，碰我的孩子。如果 if 你 means you, 敢 means dare, 碰 to touch, 碰 to touch. 我爱的我的孩子 my baby, my kid. 我会 I will. 杀 to kill, to butcher, to slaughter. 了 it is used for future sentence, and it is indicating a task that could be completed in future. If someone is trying to harm her baby, she will complete the task of slaughtering or killing that person who's trying to touch her baby. 你 and she is like addressing someone about killing him or her if he or she is trying to touch her baby. So, and the next slang is this one, and in pinyin it is 你下呀，你下呀，你下呀。你下呀 means are you blind, and it could be used in such a situation where, for example, someone step on your foot, so you're asking him or you're telling him that are you blind, can't you see? Okay, so 你下呀，你下呀, can't you see, are you blind? क्या तुम अंधे हो या क्या तुम्हें दिखाई नहीं देता, जिस तरह हम उर्दू में कहते हैं. So in Urdu I'm just explaining the meaning of this slang. Okay, and the next slang with us is this one. This is very interesting slang and used in many situations. You can use it, and it is 太过分了，太过分了。太过分了 means that this is going too far. This is going out of limit. I'm not bearing this anymore. This is going too far. So in Chinese, we just use it in a Chinese sentence, this slang, and this is the pinyin, and you can see that 我不介意开玩笑，但这也太过分了。我不介意开玩笑，但这也太过分了。我不介意开玩笑。但这也太过分了，太过分了。Okay, so I don't mind a joke. Okay, 我爱不 means no or don't. 介意 to mind. 开玩笑 a joke. 但这也 but this is 太过分了 going too far. I don't mind a joke, but this is going too far. So in Urdu we can say it, मुझे मजाक करने पर कोई एतराज़ नहीं है, लेकिन ये बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया, बात बहुत आगे बढ़ गई. So this is all about the 5 important